understand English. You watch videos, you read comments, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank.
And you ask yourself, why can't I speak? Today, we fix this in 21 days.
Welcome back. This is a safe place to practice English speaking.
2 voices, 1 goal, helping you speak English with confidence.
Here is the promise. Master English speaking in 21 days.
Not perfect English, not native English.
Simple English. Real speaking, less fear.
Section 1. Let's understand the real problem. Let's be honest. Your problem is not vocabulary.
And it's not grammar.
The real problem is thinking too much before speaking.
Your brain translates, checks grammar, looks for perfect words.
And while your brain is busy, your mouth stays silent.
Quick question. When you speak your own language, do you think about grammar?
No, you just speak.
English speaking works the same way.
But you trained it the wrong way.
School trained your pen.
Not your mouth.
Here's a surprise fact.
Children speak before they know rules.
Speaking comes first.
Rules come later.
Section 2. The 21-day speaking plan. So here is the 21-day plan.
Easy, daily, stress-free.
Say this out loud. I am ready.
Say it now.
Days 1 to 7. 1 rule.
Mouth before brain.
Speak 5 minutes every day.
No stopping, no correcting.
Repeat after me.
Today, I am practicing English.
Again.
Good.
Mini quiz. Should you stop when you make a mistake?
Say the answer.
No.
Mistakes mean progress. Section 3. Building real speaking confidence.
Short story.
One learner knew many words but never spoke.
She spoke alone for 7 days.
About food, about her day.
After 1 week, fear became smaller.
Her voice became stronger.
Your turn.
Speak for 10 seconds about today. Start now.
Stop. You just practiced English.
Days 8 to 14. Simple sentences.
Short is powerful.
Repeat after me. I work online.
I am learning English.
I want to speak better.
Mini quiz. 1 long sentence or 3 short ones?
Say it.
3 short ones.
Section 4. Making English automatic.
Days 15 to 18. Think in English.
Name things around you in English.
Phone, door, water, light.
Say them with us.
Faster.
Now describe your room.
5 things. Speak now.
Days 19 to 21. Confidence training.
Repeat the same topics every day.
Daily routine, hobbies, future plans.
Confidence comes from familiarity.
Role play again. I start.
I wake up at 7.
You continue now.
Mini quiz.
Is confidence a talent or a habit?
Say it.
A habit.
Final challenge.
Speak for 20 seconds.
Topic. Why you want to learn English.
Start now.
Let's recap.
Week 1, speak without stopping.
Week 2, short sentences.
Week 3, think in English and repeat topics.
You don't need perfect English.
You need brave English.
Like this video if it helped you.
Subscribe for daily speaking practice.
Comment below, which day is hardest for you?
Next video, we share a 5-minute daily habit. One habit that makes English speaking automatic.
Stay with us.
Your English voice is already inside you.